Lagos State Governor give order to demolish Igbo's business in Lagos without giving them quick notice on time. Make una hear what happened. In fact, may God have mercy upon the Igbos in this country called Nigeria.
Not the state government. Not the state government. The people who demolished it are from Lagos State government. Yes. Not from commissioner from the federal government.
Commissioner of
fiscal planning.
Fiscal planning.
Fiscal planning. Yes. Lagos State government.
Is that no, okay. Right? And they always took us on our way.
Did they write any letter?
No.
You don't receive any communication from them before they came with their building.
This before. There was a reference. Losma first came to this and locked the whole gate. 7 days. We partnered with them and they released it. But thinking that everything will be in order. Next is during the time of last year now, they really came here and met people, our task force, on their coming. Their reaction when they saw that our task force was listening, they shot the tire of the executive director and left.
Is he director of the Trade Millennium?
Yes.
They shot our tire.
They shot our tire. This time around,
what did the government say?
nothing.
Guardian at the time. They demolished so many buildings.
This is 1977. Because this place was unveiled in 1977. Our lease agreement is 50 years and 99 years. And what's happening now? Where are these people since 1977 to today for yesterday 25th, which is about 8 years.
There hasn't been any legislation.
No claim, no disturbance. Anything you must do here, management board must know about it. They must approve it. Management are still saying they are surprised. They don't have any premises so that this thing is happening. But they say that they already invited the woman to come.
Who said that?
The commissioner.
Commissioner for what?
Commissioner for
Fiscal planning.
Yes. They invited the woman in 2 occasions.
Who is woman? Please.
The executive director, Mrs. Varan.
Yes.
What's he saying about
that?
He denied vehemently yesterday there was no invitation.
There was no invitation. And even when the ED was explaining to them that they don't have any rights to come here to mark any building or rather to demolish anything without her prior notice, they went ahead and marked the
federal government in her presence.
Yes, in her presence.
I have a question. I spoke with the president about function. He said you people
They shot him on the
why you in court?
Yes. And they shot
We are in
someone on
court.
the leg too.
The person can come.
After that shooting of this thing, we find out this is something we cannot contain without going to court this thing. So we went to court. And even that court now, they are not been determined before they come for this one. We are in court with
You are in court as sticking.
yes, to do this.
They shot somebody.
They shot somebody.
Yes.
Yesterday, the guy came and showed the minister, the senator that came to visit us. The guy
Which senator was that?
eh?
So a senator came to visit.
No, senator. No, this source. It's a visitor that came to visit. Press people and
No, it was a senator that came to senators. The name I cannot just. He came and he put me through to one of the senators that is abroad, one of our brother. He was telling me that we should do the necessary thing that when they come back, and from now we need to connect other senators because this type of.
Don't worry.
Before we go, you can remember the name.
very good.
Let's go.
So we are going back because we have done our fact finding. We have found out everything we need to find. It is to now bring the Trade Fair Complex management, the Lagos State government, and any other stakeholder so that they will sit on a table and then this matter will be resolved. What we can all beg you and ask you is please, let there be no violence. let there be no trouble. Let nobody take laws into their hand. The reason why we came here is because we are lawmakers. And as lawmakers, we cannot abide you breaking the law. And what we will try to do is to ensure that every other person involved in this does also not break the law. Let us know exactly what is at stake and how it can be resolved. You can trust us that we are going to do that. So finally, before me Uruche, otu ihe unu ga-ama onye ji mmadụ n'ala jikwa onwe ya. Ọkwa ya nọ? Bueno.
Ịdị mgbe okwu ya. Akata ga na anyị ọcha.
Senator representing Anambra.
What I want Senator Niabariba. Akobolokuwa. Eto sile. Ihe a bịara bụ ihe ndị Igbo na-akpọ ọnụrụbe nwanne. Anyị hụrụ ihe na-eme wee kọtara anyị gwara na TV. And even today we came with some of our brothers here in Lagos. Sheyi is here with us. Ruban was here with us.
George
is here with us. This is the House of Representatives representing this federal constituency. He is one of us. So we have come to bring people that have seen what they are going to do. Senator Biden has said it all. I want to tell you, listen. What I want to let you know is that we have come and seen again. This place is not the first place. The properties of our people have been destroyed in Lagos. This destruction is going on everywhere. But we want to make it clear that everybody that is law-abiding was protected by the government of Nigeria. Yes. You are doing your legitimate businesses here, and you are entitled to protection. From what we have seen so far, listen, from what we have seen so far, and in other places in Lagos, it has been between the Lagos state government and our people here. And we have seen what has happened again. Each one we have investigated. We have seen that there is a deliberate plan to frustrate your activity. And we will not allow that to happen. I know that everyone told you queer. I told you. I want to tell you, go go. Man, this is not on the table. Ọmọ mi bá yà sí ká wá sí ma.
Bàbá ìyá o.
Bàbá yín, màá yẹ kí èkó sí òkú.
Amadike ndị Igbo. Amadike ha ma wee ya.
Ọrụ na-agba n'obodo a. Na contributions you make to the economy of Lagos, you deserve respect.
Sure.
You are contributing to the economy of Lagos. It is easy to say go. If you go, who will be?
Nobody.
What you are doing here is very important for the survival of Lagos. We are making this economy strong, and we encourage you to continue doing your business the way you are doing it. Don't break the law. We are happy with what we have seen today. But what they told us that happened here was not correct. They said you built on top of drainage channels. We have seen not anyone. We saw like a Plaza. There's no drainage channel near it. It's at the center of this place. So why should somebody go and bring such building down? Magnificent edifices. So who won't allow that? They are sure, like our brother said, I am here.
I am here.
Yes, I thank my brothers like Sheyi, George, and
Whatever. Incoming governor.
they saw with us. So you want to try that thing. They saw what we saw. And they described it as statements. So thank you very much. I'm not going to be on the table ever. We're going to work on that. Whatever can let us do. Don't be intimidated. Do your business as accent. So what as you are by the side of the law, nobody can do you anything. Thank you very much.
As grand patron of this market.
Confirm.
Okay, what is the name ever? I'm a president. Salanja Umani Umani Fair Divine. Never to that. Says I'm never. Don't say about Canada. Then what goes to the Don't give a bit of this morning. If I can make it, I need it. My brother. My brother was it one chairman God take chairman. Because I will endeavor to call those who I know will take on this matter. Those I know that will follow it. My first comment is gratitude. My first comment is gratitude to the market. All of you, and when they came, with all the annoyance, you decided to be not abiding. I thank you for that. Even though you're that, once you get to that, you get from Kano. Everybody of Nigeria on here. Everybody I know. So, I thank you for being abiding. I thank you for staying calm in provocation. They've done, seen everything, and they mentioned that they will follow the religion. A different thing that we're very less. Who the believers you know, who will approve who will go the way they not in there. But even when man the defender put in Nigeria, na nkịta etu Naijiria dị abụrụ oge a na-akụtu ibe mmadụ ọ bụrụ na mmadụ ibe mmadụ bụrụ obodo adịrọ mmadụ ibe adịrọ mmadụ mmadụ na-afụ kịta ọ bụrụ oge emefu ibe mmadụ ọ ka anyị na-ekwu ọ ka o ji wute m ka anyị fụrụ ya ọ bụrụ na ọ nwere ebe akwụkwọ ezuru ezu agwa onye ọbụla ga-ebatịba ya ebe akwụkwọ anụrụ ụlọ unu anya nụrụ ụlọ kịta n'afọ ihe dị Naijiria ka mmadụ ga-eje kụtuo ya ibile ebe na ba nkịta ebe akwụnye ka